Have you ever wondered how successful companies manage their projects? Agile project management is the answer. It's a dynamic approach to project management used by successful businesses to streamline their processes, enhance collaboration, and deliver value to customers at a rapid pace. But what exactly is Agile project management? It's a flexible, iterative process where teams work in short cycles known as sprints to deliver solutions incrementally. It's not a rigid, one-size-fits-all methodology. Instead, it's a mindset that encourages adaptability, teamwork, and customer focus. Think of it as a GPS for your project. Just like how a GPS recalculates the route based on real-time conditions, Agile allows teams to adapt their plans based on the project's evolving needs and challenges. Now, imagine if you could manage your projects with the same level of efficiency and effectiveness. That's where Agile project management comes in. Consider the case of Spotify, the popular music streaming platform. Spotify has adopted Agile project management with a unique twist to deliver continuous value to its music-loving users. The company has created its own Agile framework, which is composed of squads, tribes, chapters, and guilds. Let's start with squads. A squad is essentially a small cross-functional team with a maximum of 8 people. Each squad has the autonomy to decide what to work on, how to work, and how to divide tasks within the team. This level of autonomy fosters a sense of ownership and motivates the team to deliver their best work. Now let's move on to tribes. A tribe is a collection of squads that work in related areas. The tribe has a tribe leader who helps maintain alignment and collaboration among the squads. The tribe setup encourages cross-pollination of ideas and knowledge sharing among squads. Then we have chapters. A chapter is a group of individuals with similar skills or areas of expertise like back-end development or user interface design from different squads within the same tribe. The chapter lead, who is also a working member of a squad, facilitates the sharing of skills and best practices among chapter members, fostering continuous improvement. Finally, we have guilds. A guild is a more informal, company-wide group that anyone can join. Guilds typically focus on specific areas of interest and foster a culture of learning and sharing across the company. This unique Agile framework at Spotify promotes autonomy, collaboration, and continuous improvement, all while keeping the user at the center of every decision. It's a dynamic, flexible approach that enables Spotify to adapt quickly to changes and deliver new features to its users rapidly and consistently. Spotify's success story demonstrates the power of Agile project management in a real-world context. It shows us that Agile is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical tool that can help companies innovate, adapt, and deliver value continuously. So, what are the key principles that underpin Agile project management? At the heart of Agile lie 12 core principles. First and foremost, customer satisfaction is achieved through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. This means getting working products into the hands of users as soon as possible. Next, Agile embraces changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes harness change for the customer's competitive advantage. The third principle involves frequent delivery of working software, which is the primary measure of progress. Close daily cooperation between business people and developers is another key principle. This collaboration keeps everyone on the same page and helps to quickly address any issues that may arise. Face-to-face conversation is considered the most efficient and effective method of conveying information. Lastly, Agile promotes sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. These principles guide Agile teams in delivering high-quality products and services. Why should you consider Agile project management for your projects? The benefits of Agile project management are manifold and compelling. At the heart of Agile lies a promise of improved product quality. By fostering a culture of continuous iteration and refinement, Agile ensures that the product you deliver is the best version it could be. It also leads to higher customer satisfaction, as Agile's incremental delivery model means customers get to see and use the product earlier, leading to better feedback and more meaningful engagement. Moreover, Agile promotes increased project control. By breaking down large projects into manageable chunks, Agile allows teams to better track and control progress. And let's not forget, Agile significantly reduces risks. Its iterative nature means issues are identified and resolved sooner, reducing the chance of a project going off the rails. But remember, Agile is not a silver bullet. It's a powerful tool when used correctly. With Agile project management, you can transform your project processes and achieve remarkable results. Remember, it's not just about doing Agile, it's about being agile.